Oh, you didn't believe it could be done?
Nah. Well, you know, so many people have so many things to say
Yep.
and stuff. But I was even at one point say, maybe just best to just replace it.
Replace it. Wow.
Or something like that. But everybody was saying different stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that, man. But the video is what sold you.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I was like, well, sure this ain't AI?
This
All
ain't
right,
artificial
guys.
intelligence.
Tuesday, March 25th. We just finished up with Jason over in Swanee. Very happy with the results. Now we're in Decula. This is a job. The client basically booked off pictures and information. We're going to be doing screen and recoat with UV Cure. The house is on the market. Got to get these floors looking good. Those typical hand scrape engineered floors that you see a lot in our videos. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So we are in Decula, Georgia. So we're going to be doing some engineered hand scrape floor with Jules. He said he doesn't see this floor a lot back in London. But two things, guys. This is why you got to be careful who you let come in the house. Client said they had two people come here. One person tried to stain the floor because I was like, what is that purple stuff? She said, yeah, they came in here, tried to stain it. She said it was wet for a week and their socks were red. So I don't know what, they didn't know what they was doing. And then she said another company came in and told them they can sand the floor, and they didn't sand it because this floor can't be sanded. So I will say, guys, please, please, please be careful when hiring somebody to because there's a lot of companies, and I'm telling you, there's a thing called YouTube University where people will watch these videos and they will come in your house and make your house a what's that word I'm trying to say? A test dummy. Okay. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is this hallway right here. We got this sit-in dining room. We have a lot of areas. We're going to do some color correction all through here, also this kitchen area. Also here, a lot of color correction all through here. Actually, we got one like this we're doing tomorrow as well, and he's also doing the screen or recoat with the UV Cure. All right, guys, then we got this area right here, and then that foyer. All right, guys. All right, guys, we are doing the clean and tacking, very important part. This is cleaning the floor first, and also going to highlight any of the areas where we need to do some really major color correction. Also, shout out to the Andersons. I did their floors again this past Saturday. They had me come back 4 years later, and Miss Anderson just called me. She said, Courtney, just thank you, thank you, thank you. She said, I was telling one of my neighbors about this. She said, so many people do not know about this screen and recoat process. And I was telling them, if you guys want to preserve your floors and keep your floors looking good without sanding them, get this done and call Courtney. So thank you, Miss Anderson, again. So anyway, guys, we'll go ahead and get this clean and tack, and then we're going to do the color corrections, show Jules one of my color correction techniques. And then we're gonna get the rag coat down. All right, guys. And get these floors, we got the floor screened, vacuumed, clean and tack. Now it's time to do some color correction. As you can see, my guy Jules is really learning some things as we're talking. All right. There. All that. So we're gonna let the floors dry out. And we're gonna add some color back to these areas. And now that we got these floors screened, we can really see that someone did try to attempt to do this floor, because you can see some color as we was doing the screening. All right, guys. Look at that nice color correction we got. Now we're about to get the coating down. All right, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, guys, look at that, look at that. Oh man, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's how you do it. All right, guys. Coating's going down. Stay tuned. Yeah, I see. Now you'd be surprised though, like Aaron, those guys that they only do it the way they was trained. There's some guys that do a whole floor with Trump head. Yeah. Yeah. Brush, hands and knees, yeah. That's on the T right there. Yeah. All right, guys. I went to the office, just chilled, paid a few invoices, and ordered some more supplies. But guys, look at this masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. Look at this floor. Did you guys see the before? Man. This looks amazing. Wow. Come on, guys. This is the Truman effect right here. Look at this floor. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Mate, how we looking, Courtney?
Looking good, man.
Looking good?
Yeah.
My client name is Courtney too. All right, guys, I'm about to get these floors UV cured. What is that? And shout out to Jules again from London. He might, cause he's gonna be leaving Sunday, so he might be with us Friday too. But yeah, guys, go ahead and get these floors UV cured, and that way they can get the furniture put back. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, check these floors out now. Floors have been screened, cleaned, vacuumed, UV cured. Beautiful satin finish, rag coat for the win. Color correction, recoated. All right, guys. See you in the next one.